the tires that they want. The engine has to be under 408 cubic inches. Basically, you're limited on how much displacement you can do. You can take a big block and you can de-stroke a big block, put a little bit of a shorter rod in the machine, a little bit of a smaller hole in the machine, and go with the big block. You can go with the small block with like what Jeff has here now, and the Homebrew Blue Chevrolet. What gives these guys an advantage, because they're on two wheels, is their hitch height at the back. So when they hook up to these machines, they have 30 inches of hitch height.